How to change your phone number on Ticketmaster using FoxSims. Go to Ticketmaster.com. Enter your email and click Forgot Password. Select the option to reset your password via email, not phone number. Retrieve the code from your email and set a new password. Once you're logged in, click My Account. Go to My Profile and select Profile Details. Scroll down to the phone number section and click Update My Phone Number. Now, enter the phone number you rented from FoxSims. You will instantly receive the OTP code from Ticketmaster. And that's it, you've successfully changed your phone number. Let's check if the number has really changed. Yes. It's now showing the same number from FoxSims.